Hello there, it's Tania Gabrielle, Wealth Astro-Numerologist, and welcome to your weekly Astro-Numerology forecast for August 17th through 23. I love those numbers. Now, this forecast is for all signs. It covers the highlights of the week in the Astrology and Numerology. Starting with the first highlight on Monday the 17th, that number is about immortality. And it means that what you do today leaves a legacy behind. And today, it merges with the number 20. There's a 20 universal date. Now, 20 is related to 2020, which is about rebalancing energy, bringing balance to everything. That's what the 2020s are all about. So you can manifest like amazing things today because your inspiration merges with your inner confidence. And it can bring amazing results. So what will help you with this? Well, Mercury sextile Mars helps you realize your ideas. It infuses your mind with energy. It gives you the innovation and eagerness to implement your ideas. And you can achieve a lot because you have the energy to do so. And then the Sun conjuncts Mercury as well, which helps you focus on practical thinking and helps you in negotiations and correspondence, and it's good for business matters as well. And then we have the new moon in Leo. And that new moon is happening on a day where we have a double 3-3 code, the number 21 as well for the 21st century. And it happens on the 18th in the Americas, the 19th universal time. So have a look at my long forecast for this Leo new moon on my website, taniagabrielle.com. The star code forecast takes you into all the aspects. So I'll just mention here that this new moon in Leo happens at 26 degrees. 26 reduces to 8. We're in the 8th month of August. This is about empowerment through knowing that you are eternal. 8 is the only number you can draw with your pen without lifting your pen. All other numbers, you have to lift your pen if you repeatedly draw the number. But you don't need to do that with 8. You can draw it as many times and it continues. It's because it's the number of infinity. So it is very powerful, very connected to abundance. And this new moon in Leo, Leo being the royal sign, the sign ruled by the sun, our light, the sign that governs our heart. This is really powerful. This is amazing reboot of your heart center. And your heart merged with your mind. Why? Because the sun and moon are merged with Mercury, the mind. And so this is really, really exciting for understanding that the way we've been thinking hasn't really served us very well when we need to move forward. Now there's a trine to Mars by Mercury, Sun, and Moon, and that's a very important part of the equation because Mars is really the planet of the second half of the year because of the retrograde in its own sign of Aries that's coming up. And so anything happening with Mars we have to pay attention to. And Mars, of course, represents the masculine, and we are changing how we perceive what it means to be in that energy of the masculine as we invite the divine feminine back in. So this is a big topic, and I will be exploring it more with you in the future, but it really gets activated during this new moon in Leo. So it is important for you to understand what Leo means. It's a fire sign. Mars is a fire planet, what that means to firing up your passion and creativity. And so I wish you an absolutely amazing week. And if you're interested in your own star code, head on over to blueprintclass.com where you can discover your star code. You literally can discover what your birthday code means, what your birth name code means, and what the numbers in your astrology chart mean. So head on over to blueprintclass.com, enjoy that free class, which includes a free handout as well, and have an amazing week. I will see you next week.